Hi all, I'm challa from VMware Auckland, and today I want to explain how we are going to configure VMware ESXi. Coming to the VMware ESXi, it's one of the leading bare metal hypervisor which gets installed directly onto my physical server, further enabling it to be partitioned into multiple logical servers which are nothing but my virtual machines. So you can see here I'm showing this installation. So coming to the installation, you can see initially when we install virtual ESXi loading installer, and after that you can see running STR injection start, and you can ask this welcome to VMware ESXi 5.5. so you can also go to 5. Nowadays it's the latest version 6 also. So and accepting the license agreement, end user license agreement, and you can see the local VMware virtual disk here instead of remote, and US default, and scanning the systems for the installation, some warnings, enter to continue. Then afterwards the installer is configured to ESXi 5.0 on, and it's installed successfully. Rebooting, we need to reboot to start the server first, and when it's loaded successfully, you can see this just function F2. You can enter this with a password, and you can just configure the password if you want to configure again. It's configuring lockdown mode disabled, configuring managing network. So you can see I set the IP address. If you want to change the IP address, just press enter. You go to network adapters. So you can see here I connected this ESXi to two network adapters, NIC 0 and NIC 1. This is NIC 0 and this is NIC 1, and press just enter, and you can see the IP configuration. So these are my IP settings. If you want to use dynamic IP also, you can use dynamic IP for this. And coming to static IP address, I just set my static IP address as 192.168.0.140 and giving the subnet mask and default gateway, and just press enter to confirm the selection. The IPv6 configuration is enabled, and the DNS configuration. You can see the interesting figure here. We can, whatever we update the DNS configuration, we can see directly when we log into the vSphere client in this virtual atmosphere, and there is no special thing to join to the domain. This is a very simple and easy. You can see this is a primary DNS, and I just considered as my virtual simulator as an alternative DNS. Just press enter, and you can add the suffixes if you want. This is my domain name and vinunetap.local. Just press enter. So if you want to exit, just set this as escape and restart management network. If you want to restart the complete entire network, you just, so test management network is very interesting. It's like pinging. If you want to just communicate with any type of address or any type of network, just it's like pinging, test managing network. So before I test this management network, I just want to exit. And network restore options, configure and troubleshoot, or troubleshooting options when. So this is ESXi shell is disabled. You want to just enable, you can enable this, and SSH and secure shell, modifying ESXi shell. This is also through the command prompt. Alt F1 you can enter into the shell mode, and Alt F2 I can exit from there. So just press escape. And system logs, you want to see any system logs. If you press 1, you can see system log and VM kernel log and configuration. 4 for management agent, 5 for virtual center agent. Like this, you can see all the system logs. So suppose if you want to enter 1, you can see all the system logs, and just press Q to exit, and view support information and reset system configuration. So I just want to show you how I'm going to do this. And one more thing I want to show you, it's very interesting. So test managing network address, if I type my main domain controller IP, say suppose 139, so it's just pinging address and just testing. So you can see it's okay. So it means the connection is there. You can test the connection as if in a command prompt like ping communication. So just press enter, okay, and next escape to exit this atmosphere, and escape. And I just want to go to my Windows client. Say suppose so this is my Windows client. I just want to log into this hypervisor which I configured now to my VMware vSphere. Just enter the IP of the hypervisor as 140 and give the credentials as root and my password, which is secret and confidential. We need to put our passwords very confidential as an administrator. When we are going to manage, just ignore whatever the certificate warning or anything else. So after logging into the hypervisor, you can configure many things, just like all the things we have done in the core installation method. So you can see here very interestingly virtual atmosphere. In this virtual environment, you are just logging into another virtual atmosphere where you are logging to the hypervisor. So this is nothing but I think it's wrong password. Once again I'll be trying the password. So when we are going to log in here through our root password, one more important thing is whatever the connections and the network interfaces we set in the hardcore installation processor while installing this hypervisor ESXi is see, you can see here and gives a warning that expiring within 43 days, since 50 days license period is given to us, and one more warning. So you can see this is my hypervisor. You can just right click and just say it as, if you see here, you can create new virtual machines. There are many options to create new virtual machines. Just you can power on the virtual machine which already I created. So you can see here, if you click this hypervisor configuration of this VMware ESXi hypervisor, go to configuration tab. You can see health status is normal, and coming to the processors, you can see the processor capacity and system manufacturer details and everything, and memory and the storage and all the considerable details are there. One more important thing is here to configure the time configuration. It is done through the NTP client. I set through the NTP client enable. So when we enable this, time is automatically set to the set according to the NTP servers. The DNS routing is also done. See, I added just this to my domain, clicking the properties and just setting all the settings main server, and whatever is done there is automatically updated here in the processor. And coming to the authentication services, you can go to the properties, and this is already domain joined. Otherwise you need to join the domain. Since I did everything in the hardcore while in the installation process, so when we log in directly, you can see all the details here. So it's very simple and easy to work with virtual atmosphere with the VMware ESXi hypervisor, and it's a bare metal and very leading in industry nowadays. 6th version is being used. And thank you for watching my video, and please like it. Thank you.